let me just.
Fine. You can have the bag.
Just so your friend knows. I don't understand what she's saying, but let's prove to her that you are not a thief.
There's inner zip there. Just search inside. There's zip here. Inside, search inside that place. There's another one.
There's nothing here.
The money's supposed to be here, inside there. Sir.
Look, there's nothing. There's nothing here.
Baby, did you see any money here, right?
No.
Okay.
Of course, I wasn't expecting to see.
Wait,
Are you stupid?
Give my
I'll
bag
give you a
now.
little slap. Shebi, you can't be a thief. And I'm returning it to you. You are saying,
wait now.
Happiness, can I have your bag?
But you have a bag.
Can I have your bag?
Wait now. You want to search my bag? Calm down. I will give you my bag.
Give it to him immediately.
Yes. Calm down. I will give it to her.
Oh, you are not
I will give it to
shouting.
you.
You reached my turn. You collected my bag. You are not talking. You are not saying
babe,
anything.
calm
Sir,
down.
wait. Let me search it by
I can't drag the
myself.
woman's bag. She's a
Take.
lady.
Let me
See from
search
this
it by
place.
myself now.
Search the bag.
Ha.